Mars has always been a source of fascination for humanity. And now, with advancements in technology, the dream of colonizing the red planet is closer than ever. But how would we actually do it? Scientists and visionaries have proposed some mind-blowing ideas. Welcome to my channel, everyone. Today, I'm counting down the 5 craziest yet scientifically backed ideas for colonizing Mars. Let's get started. Coming in at number 5 is living underground. Mars has natural lava tubes, giant caves formed by ancient volcanic activity. These tubes could serve as ready-made shelters, providing natural protection from cosmic radiation and extreme weather conditions on the surface. NASA and other space agencies are actively studying these lava tubes as potential habitats. Robots could map out the caves and even prepare them for human habitation by installing pressurized living spaces inside. While it might not sound glamorous, using Mars's natural underground structures could be one of the most practical ways to establish a safe and sustainable colony on the red planet. At number 4, we have nuclear energy as a power source. On Mars, solar energy might not always be reliable due to frequent dust storms that can block sunlight for weeks. That's where nuclear power comes in. NASA has already developed a prototype called the Kilopower reactor, a compact, efficient nuclear reactor designed for space missions. This technology could generate energy for habitats, life support systems, and even tools needed for construction and mining. While nuclear power might sound risky, it's been safely used in space missions before and could be crucial for sustaining life on Mars. Number 3 on our list is growing food on Mars. Transporting food from Earth to Mars isn't sustainable for long-term colonization, so scientists are working on ways to grow crops directly on the red planet. Mars soil, or regolith, is toxic due to perchlorates and lacks essential nutrients, but researchers are experimenting with solutions. In 2016, scientists from Wageningen University in the Netherlands successfully grew crops using Mars-like soil, though they had to add nutrients. In addition, advanced hydroponics and aeroponics systems could allow plants to grow without soil, using only water, air, and nutrients. Greenhouses with controlled environments could one day provide colonists with fresh food, making life on Mars more self-sufficient. Number 2 is 3D printing Martian habitats. Transporting heavy building materials to Mars would be incredibly expensive. But what if we could use the planet's own resources? NASA has already tested using Martian regolith, the soil on Mars, to 3D print structures here on Earth. In fact, during NASA's 3D printed habitat challenge, teams demonstrated how autonomous robots could build entire colonies using local materials. These habitats would protect humans from harsh Martian conditions, including radiation and extreme cold. With 3D printing, we could construct settlements before humans even arrive, making it one of the most efficient ways to colonize Mars. And finally, the craziest idea for colonizing Mars: terraforming the entire planet. Terraforming involves transforming Mars into a planet more like Earth by warming it up, thickening its atmosphere, and making it capable of supporting liquid water. Scientists have proposed outlandish methods like using giant mirrors in orbit to reflect sunlight onto the planet, or releasing greenhouse gases by nuking the polar ice caps, a controversial idea famously suggested by Elon Musk. While terraforming would take centuries or even millennia, it's one of the most ambitious ideas ever imagined. If successful, it could turn Mars into a second home for humanity. And there you have it, the 5 craziest ideas for colonizing Mars. From living underground to terraforming an entire planet, these ideas show just how far science and imagination can take us. Which of these ideas do you think is the most exciting or the most realistic? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos about space, science, and the future of humanity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.